If you would like more tips on painting, please subscribe to my channel to check out my upcoming videos. To protect or bring shine to your painting, you need water clear wood varnish and paint thinner. You can get these in any hardware shop near your home. You also need a clean flat brush, a spoon and a bowl. Take 25% of varnish and 75% of thinner and mix it very nicely. After mixing it properly, take a flat brush and start applying the varnish on your painting. You can feel the difference right after applying the varnish. The parts I have applied the varnish is very shiny, whereas the parts that I have not applied does not look shiny. Now I'll cover my painting completely with a layer of varnish. Varnish will give very nice shine to your painting and also protect your painting from water, dust and many other things. It will also give the finishing touch look to the rough patches of your painting. So this is how a varnished and unvarnished painting looks. Comment below and let me know whether this video was helpful or not. And also like and share the video and subscribe my channel.